Did you know how Chinese authorities are erasing our language, our culture, and our identity, piece by piece? On July 14, 2024, the Chinese government shut down a Tibetan school that stood for 30 years. A school that taught not only language and culture, but pride. Students and staff stood together in tears, holding katas, surrounded by sadness and disbelief. That school was Rugya Gangjong Sherig Norbiling, founded in August 1994 by a humble monk, Rugya Jigme Gyaltsen, in the Golok-Amdo region. Over time it grew, teaching Tibetan language, English, computer science, engineering, medicine, videography, physical education, and more. It covered 33,000 square meters, with a campus spreading over 174,933 square meters. More than 2,300 students graduated, among them 800 university students, 50 research students, 90 doctors, 110 government employees, 250 university teachers, 110 monastic workers, and 260 specialized professionals. This school gave thousands of Tibetan youth the chance to learn our own language, to stay connected to our identity. And now, it's gone. Another victim of the Chinese Communist Party's war on Tibetan education. Let's be clear, this is not education, this is assimilation, this is not reform, this is cultural destruction. Under the name of education, China has built a system of colonial boarding schools across Tibet. On February 6, 2023, 3 UN Special Rapporteurs reported that around 1 million Tibetan children have been separated from their families, forced into state-run schools in the name of assimilation. An entire generation of Tibetan children is being stolen. Can you imagine? From as young as 4 years old, they are taken from their families, locked inside state-controlled schools where they are taught not to love Tibet, but to love the Communist Party. While Chinese propaganda shows smiling Tibetan children in clean uniforms, the truth is buried beneath violence and fear. Tibetan children are beaten like animals. There is no Tibetan language education, no traditional festivals, no Tibetan clothing, no contact with their parents, no open discussion of Tibet's history, its freedom, or its identity. Our children are not safe in their own homeland. They are being reprogrammed to forget who they are. Forced to study Chinese history and communist propaganda, forced to learn about the so-called patriotic education, forced to speak only Chinese. This is not education, this is cultural genocide, this is colonization, and the world must not stay silent, because when a language dies,